In the last video, I showed you this holistic 10-20 step retargeting funnel for your ads. And in this funnel, it is very important to keep a healthy balance between the two opposites, in this case, branding and direct response sales. So if we have a look at these different ads here, especially the first impressions, you cannot go out just directly selling something. It just won't work, and it will bring a lot of customers into like a very negative brand impression, where they hear from you for the first time. They don't know who you are. They don't know your trust. They don't know all the stuff, but already you're trying to close them very, very strongly, very hard on a sale, which sometimes involves like high price purchase decisions, and people don't want to be pressured into this. So you always want each ad, every little retargeting step here should be one ad that can potentially get in new customers immediately, impulsively, because you need that for your ads to be profitable. You don't want to run branding campaigns for 3 months, then wait a year and see if your marketing magically worked out. You want to run ads, and on the day you run these ads, you want to generate sales from these ads. This is the direct response component. You don't want to overdo it. You want to also do branding and to print this brand impression into your customer's mind. So it's really all about this balance. If you only do branding, then you don't get sales, you don't get your ROAS up, you have problems measuring the conversions, but you maybe build a long-term brand in the customer's mind, which is a good thing. But if you only do sales, then you maybe close some people, but the people that you can close, the audiences that you can immediately close directly through this impulsive sales, direct response marketing is very, very small. There's a saying that says that only 3% of your audience is actually ready to buy right now, and these would be the people that search for a solution. So if you run just Google search ads, you could say that there a direct response approach works better, while for these social media visual channels, it is really the healthy balance between branding and direct response sales. And you want to have ads, great ads, that do both, that have a strong brand message, some really good design, really high quality storytelling, a lot of things that help build this brand. But every ad doesn't come without a call to action text or a call to action ending in your video. So there are always these call to actions. And by having the healthy brand communication plus emotions plus sales psychology plus call to actions, that is where you get ads that just work from the first day. They make profitable sales from the first day, but they're also creating a long-term brand in the market, which will in the future drive other sales channels, drive your brand keywords up on Google search, and just help you become that recognized brand in the market.